Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Good morning. Hey, did you watch the previous vlog by the way? I posted it, you're in it. Hi Sava. Sava's literally the same way. She was sitting like this. I was like, do you want to be part of my vlog? And she said no.
No?
She's like purposely not showing me her face.
Oh shit. Did you see that?
Yeah. Hello.
क्या चीज?
कुछ नहीं मैं vlog कर रही हूँ. She moved.
She actually moved.
Yeah, she moved all the way here
Yeah.
to throw something. Sangeeta, do you want to contribute to my vlog?
What can I possibly contribute?
That sounds like a you problem.
You should put Sangeeta's video.
Which
Which
video?
video, man? That Tota video.
Say.
Sangeeta is going to say this tongue twister 3 times fast, okay? टूटी चोंच का तोता, तोते की चोंच टूटी.
टूटी चोच का टोटा.
Not तोता, तोता.
टूटी चोच का
टूटी चोंच का तोता.
टूटी चोच का टोटा.
टोटा नहीं, तोता.
टोटा.
तोता.
टोटा.
टोटा मतलब लड़की पटाखा. तोता.
तोता
मतलब पैलेट.
तोता.
तोते की चोंच टूटी.
टोटी की चोंच टोटी. टूटी टूटी चोच का टोटा. टोटे की चूच की टोटी.
कौन चोंच की टोटी?
I just thought I should do weekly vlogs to get into the habit of vlogging. I am having my second cup of coffee for the day. It's 10:30 a.m.
And I'm not very proud of this decision.
Hey,
It's
no.
11 a.m. She's fake it.
It's 10:50. People care so much, no, about timestamps. हम लोग I don't know इंडिया में कितने लोग उठ के FIFA वर्ल्ड कप मैचेस देख रहे हैं, बट हम लोग तो काफी लेट तक देख रहे हैं. I'm sleeping on average 4-5 hours a day, and I'm like an 8 hours of sleep person. So I'm not really thriving right now. Guys, हम जावजा फूड कोर्ट आए, ठीक है. मैंने नॉर्मल इंसान की तरह एक शीश टॉक सैंडविच लिया है. And Sangeeta shows up with this. कितने लोगों का खाना है ये?
We all will eat, share and eat.
क्या क्या लाई?
There is fruit, there is salads, there is chicken, there is lamb, there is rice, and I don't know, there's some soup also.
It's time to head home. Just got done with work and it is so freaking hot in Dubai. I cannot even tell you. But my fan speed is just too much. It's too noisy. Let me turn it down a bit. I am going to do something big today, and by big I mean cleaning up the house. When you stay with your partner and both of you work, like both of you are corporate employees, it's very hard to squeeze out time to actually get the house clean and sort of declutter, because over the weekends we're just kind of lying on the couch, or sometimes I have work over the weekends as well. So today is dedicated to cleaning. I actually just got a delivery. Kal I placed an order for some shorts from Nike because I have been playing badminton a lot, so I thought maybe we could unbox this. I'm super excited. Let's check it out together. Also with my hair, abhi to it is set, so it looks fine, but the moment I wash it, this part I start looking like a lion. Like वो hair botox इधर ही रह गया है, अभी ऊपर के बाल normally आ रहे हैं. The reason I decided to shop a little is that अभी sale चल रहा है, and I actually haven't bought from Nike in a while because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि over the years they've become very expensive. There was a time जब I remember in India the outlet shops of Nike used to be quite affordable, but अभी बहुत ज़्यादा price बढ़ गया है. Anyway, wow. Talk about wasteful packaging. ये देखो, इतने बड़े box में एक चीज़ है. I'm genuinely so confused. Like, why would you put this in such a big box? Okay, so the first pair of shorts here are basketball shorts actually. This is what they look like. So freaking cute. Now I know I said I've been playing badminton a lot, but I wanted to get basketball shorts because I feel like they are very versatile. Could even probably wear this to dance class. There is a Nada inside, so that's not going to be a problem. I actually miss playing basketball so much. The problem isn't that court nahi hai. The problem is कि लोग नहीं है खेलने के लिए. and मैं और तरुण कितना ही खेलेंगे साथ में. Now let's move on to package number 2, which is a lot smaller but it feels a lot denser. You know, ever since my gym membership expired in April, I have just been playing and dancing. Not because it's not that I'm not going to go back to the gym, I will go back, but I just wanted to change for a bit to work on agility and sports performance and things like that. That's why I'm also getting activewear that supports that function. So here in the second box, as expected, we have 2 more shorts. Smaller box had 2 shorts in it, perfectly packed. So both of these shorts are also basketball shorts. When it comes to running shorts, I've placed an order from Honor Active, which I don't know when it's gonna reach me, but this is the second pair of shorts. It's a 6-inch inseam, proper basketball shorts, again Nada hai. But what caught my eye about this pair of shorts is that it is reversible. Like, I'm not even joking, this is how it was marketed on the website. Can you see? Of course, ye tag hum cut kar lenge, but the fact that you can wear it inside out, it's amazing. Now the last one is a simple black pair of shorts. Again, basketball shorts, standard fit, and this is a 5-inch inseam. Very basic. I don't think I have to say much about this. I think I'm sorted for like badminton. Okay, so freaking cute. Look at this. This is the first pair. Fits perfectly. High-waisted. It has deep pockets. Okay, this is the black pair. हल्का सा loose है मेरे लिए यहाँ पे, but nada है, so not a problem. Again, looks super cute. These look like soccer shorts, right? Okay, this is the reversible pair. So it's definitely a little bit longer than the other two because this is a unisex pair of shorts. So this is the same green shorts turned inside out. So this is what the black one looks like. Because of this lining here, the black one I feel looks better. It doesn't look ultra long on me, and this side has pockets. Also, I want to show you this tracker that I've created. Okay, I have been going on and off trying to get onto like a serious fitness plan for a few months at this point, and I really want to lock in. So I've made this spreadsheet. I have written 75 days fitness challenge, but I'm not stressing too much about these 75 days. I just want to make sure that I'm as consistent as I can be. Now, the reason I've made this spreadsheet is because it very clearly shows me what I need to work on. And the fact that I have 2 days worth of meals logged is just encouraging me to do it all the more today. And I've logged everything. Like if I have even half a cookie, I'm logging it in. So trying to be as accurate as possible because I know that consistency always wins. So if I'm able to do this for 30 days straight, I know that the other 45 days are not going to be a problem. Okay, house has been cleaned. I haven't really documented the process at all, but can I just show you what my dressing table looks like right now? Please ignore my face. I have a face mask on. This is what my dressing table looks like. It looks so neat and organized, even though I need to declutter quite a bit. This is what the bedroom looks like right now. Changed the bed sheet. We also got, I don't know if I showed you all this before, but very cute quilt cover from Primark. Just love it. Also, I used to have a lamp here, which haven't unpacked the bag. Please ignore that. I have moved that lamp over here to the entrance. See? I think इसका effect ज़्यादा शाम को आएगा. शाम को ज़्यादा सुंदर लगेगा. But I've like wanted to place a lamp here for a while, and bedroom के अंदर हम उतना इसको use नहीं करते, so I thought might as well place it here. Bell just rang. Hi. Thank you. Got some stuff from Noon. You know, sometimes I think we are so spoiled. यहाँ पे literally 10 minute में सब कुछ आ जाता है. We've got some chicken mince because we're planning on making burgers tomorrow. We've got some Starbucks pods, and we've got some Pepsi Max. This is like my favorite 0-calorie drink. It's much better than Diet Coke, much better than Coke Zero. My lactose-free milk. This is what I keep restocking every time I run out. We also got a tray of eggs. Let's make my iced coffee. The problem is ice nahi hai. I found this crusty bag of ice somewhere in the freezer. Saved the day. A big chunk of ice. Oh shit. Okay, I just washed my face. Look at my skin. I am actually going for a dance workshop tomorrow. It's by Alexander Noel. I've never attended any of his classes, so I am looking forward to it. I don't know what to wear. I think this dance class के लिए क्या पहनना has become a big question. Because people really dress up, okay? देखते हैं. But also we've got badminton tonight at 10 p.m. So I've booked 10 to 12 so that we can stay awake for the 1 o'clock match. आज दो बहुत अच्छे matches हैं. देखते हैं कौन जीतता है. Also there is one more thing on the agenda and that is for me to go and buy new candles because this is empty. I'm going to show you all of my empty candles. रुको. Okay. Empty candle number 1, empty candle number 2, empty candle number 3, empty candle number 4, empty candle number 5, and empty candle number 6, which is basically the same thing. I like candles. हम जा रहे हैं एमओई. तरुण कैसे लग रहा है तुझे पैसेंजर प्रिंसेस बन के?
अच्छा है फॉर अ चेंज. इट्स नाइस. बट बहुत ऐसा पीछे किया मैंने सीट, फिर जाके मेरे पैर सीधे हुए.
क्या दिखता ही नहीं है कुछ. एक्चुअली मैंने एक वीडियो देखा था वेयर वन डॉग वाज स्टक एट होम अलोन ड्यूरिंग द अर्थक्वेक इन चाइना. टाइफून नहीं देखा, अर्थक्वेक देखा. वो बेचारा अकेले जाके वो एक ब्लैंकेट के नीचे छुप गया. Do you not have any empathy? कुछ तो बोल.
empathy उसका ओनर पागल है.
अरे तो वो बाहर था ना. इट्स लाइक हम कैसे बाहर जा रहे हैं अभी.
और पीछे से अर्थक्वेक आ गया.
हाँ.
बेचारा.
To pick up some new candles, hand wash लेना है, body wash लेना है. ये तीनों चीजें एक ही दुकान से होंगी, which is
मेरे लिए डेटॉल काफी है.
which is करेक्ट. बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स में सेल चल रहा है, इसके लिए हम जा रहे हैं उधर.
सेल चालू है.
चालू है. ये नाइस बेंटली.
ये क्या था?
इसके लाइट्स बहुत अलग है.
हाँ.
दिस इज माय व्यू. कितनी सुंदर बेंटली है, बट ये लाइट्स अच्छे नहीं लगे, इसीलिए हम नहीं लेंगे. ठीक है. कहाँ जाना है?
हाँ मुझे क्यों मिले राइट.
तरुण वांटेड टू टेल मी टू कम इन द राइट लेन. बोलते हाँ इधर से लेफ्ट ले ले.
हाँ तो तू राइट से लेफ्ट जाना था ना, फिर अभी लेफ्ट से राइट जाना है. Need a haircut.
Should I also get a haircut? कहाँ जाऊँ? ऊपर जाऊँ?
हाँ ऊपर ही रास्ता जा रहा है तो ऊपर ही जाएगी
मतलब
ना.
उधर से नीचे जा रहा है ना. बंटी.
क्या पार्किंग की है.
We got a very tight parking space. तो तरुण was like he was just noticing how I was reversing and parking. बोलता है मेरी गाड़ी होती तो आगे पीछे करना पड़ता.
मैंने बहुत सालों बाद सोचा पिंकबेरी खाने का.
हाँ तू बहुत टाइम के बाद खा रहा है. So what are your toppings?
कोकोनट. I'm the only one who likes coconut.
I like coconut but in gravies. This is my standard order. So the original yogurt with strawberries, blueberries, crispy crepe, chocolate chips and the milk chocolate crunch and Biscoff sauce.
हम आए थे इधर बैडमिंटन शूज देखने. It's only 515.
What?
Yeah.
How?
क्योंकि it is 515.
इतना लेट आए इधर. Okay, anyway, हम आए थे शूज़ देखने, वो हम देखेंगे. बट टर्न्स आउट डैनी एंड शाज़ आर जॉइनिंग अस फॉर बैडमिंटन. मैंने 10 to 11:30 बुक किया था बिकॉज इट वाज जस्ट मी, तरुण एंड आदित्य. नाउ 2 more people, तो मैंने 1 घंटा एक्स्ट्रा एक्सटेंड किया. सो 9 to 11:30 वी विल प्ले. देन वी आर गोइंग टू वॉच द फुटबॉल मैच हियर एक्चुअली इन मॉल ऑफ द एमिरेट्स. थिएटर में स्क्रीनिंग हो रहा है. So we're gonna watch it. I've never seen a match in a theater, so पता नहीं कैसे होगा.
वो आदित्य का आइडिया था.
But अच्छा होगा. I am excited. And then tomorrow I have dance class from 1 to 4:30 and then
Again badminton.
5 to 7 I book badminton. So very active weekend. So ये सब चलता है. But ये भी मैं ट्रैक करने वाली हूँ.
मेरा वाला अच्छा था कोकोनट के साथ.
योगर्ट के साथ कोकोनट कौन खाता है? ओके सो फनी स्टोरी इज दैट आई सॉ वॉच स्टोर ओके ओवर हियर एंड मुझे तरुण को दिखाना है एक घड़ी जो मैंने देखी थी इंडिया में एंड उसको नहीं जाना है बिकॉज उसको स्टोर में जाके ना बोलना नहीं आता है कि हम नहीं खरीद रहे. सो टुडे तरुण विल फेस हिज फियर्स.
मैं नहीं खा रहा.
कुछ नहीं होता तरुण.
नहीं जा रहा, मैं
चल,
जाके
चल।
खरीद के आ जाऊंगा।
So this is the watch I have right now. I'm looking for like a mixed metal, so maybe something like this. So this is the Ballard. I like this, but I want this in like a beige style. The update is कि हम जाके आए. कैसा लगा तरुण तुझे?
अच्छा था, ऐसा उसने ऊपर से नीचे स्कैन किया ना।
Yeah, he literally like we entered. I was looking at that sales guy. He looked at Tarun like this, and then he's like, "अच्छा ठीक है, शायद ले सकते हैं." But how did you like the watch?
Watch is nice.
Right? So there are two. One is the blue dial. That's the watch we gifted Aishwarya for her wedding, and the other one is like a beige dial. Beige dial उनके पास था नहीं to try on, so I've asked them to arrange for it. कल आके देखेंगे, अगर अच्छा लगा तो सोचेंगे लेने का. But it's actually cheaper for me to buy here because Tarun has ESAT. तो
15%
उसमें
off plus 10% cashback.
yeah.
So
So it's like around 6,000-7,000 rupees cheaper than in
50 dirhams का कम है। हाँ।
Yeah, घड़ी is not something you buy all the time. It's like you buy it and you keep it. मैंने last ली थी 2018, the one that my dad got me for SBJ. हाँ अरमानी, तभी पता नहीं था कि अरमानी फैशन ब्रांड है, बट मेरे लिए वो ड्रीम वॉच था तो मिल गया. फिर माई फ्रेंड डैनी गिफ्टेड मी दिस वन विच आई वेयर एवरीवेयर. ये हमने ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग की है कारफोर से. 80 दिरहम ऐसे ही उड़ गए. लिया हमने कुछ भी नहीं है. डेटॉल एंड वॉलनट्स पे उड़े है थोड़ा, बट वॉलनट्स आर नाइस एंड आई हैव रिसेंटली स्टार्टेड गेटिंग बैक टू मेकिंग माई ओवरनाइट ओट्स. By recently started, I mean I took it a total of 1 time. So it's 7 o'clock now. हम लोग निकल रहे हैं. We'll head home, quickly change. I can finally wear my new basketball shorts जो मैंने बैडमिंटन के लिए लिए. Asics में मैंने एक जूता देखा जो बहुत अच्छा है, but it is 800 dirhams. शर्म आती है. 800 दिरहम का जूता. ये ले, your new bag. Hold this 1 second. मैं बोल रही थी दुबई में लोगों को क्या शॉर्ट पीपल प्रॉब्लम. दुबई में कुछ भी प्राइस रखते हैं. हम आ गए हैं घर. इट्स लाइक 7:30 ऑलरेडी. सो वी हैव मैक्स हाफ एन आवर टू गेट रेडी एंड हेड आउट. मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही है बिकॉज मैंने पानी ज़्यादा नहीं पिया है. सो फर्स्ट गोना गो हाइड्रेट, टेक ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दिस मेकअप, नहीं तो पिंपल्स आएंगे, एंड देन हेड आउट. गाइस मैं बन गई हूँ पैसेंजर प्रिंसेस वापस.
तो मैं पहुंचना 15 मिनट में.
ए एक्सक्यूज मी, जब हम एमओई गए थे तो बोल रहा था कि वाह जल्दी पहुंच गया. आज तो मैंने बोला हाँ, तेरा भाई फास्ट चलाता है गाड़ी.
अभी एमओई नहीं जाना ना.
एनीवे आई हैव चेंज्ड. आई एम वेयरिंग माय न्यू नाइकी शॉर्ट्स एंड ये कोई तो तरुण का टी शर्ट है.
ये मेरा नहीं है,
तेरा ही है. वो उधर से जो लिया था. 2.5 hours खेलना है और मुझे नींद आ रही है. तो रिसेंटली वी गॉट दीज प्लास्टिक कप्स टेक अवे के लिए, तो इसमें मैंने कॉफ़ी बनाई है. एंड यू माइट बी वंडरिंग कि रात के 9 बजे मैं कॉफ़ी क्यों पी रही हूँ, जबकि इसको पीनी चाहिए. क्योंकि
मैं 10 बजे सो रहा था.
यस, एवरी डे 10 बजे सो रहा है. बोलता है कि आज हम मैच देखेंगे, आज हम जाग के मैच देखेंगे, फिर ये सो जाता है. बट टुडे ही हैज टू स्टे अप बिकॉज देयर आर 2 मैचेस एंड 2 वेरी गुड मैचेस. आर यू एक्साइटेड?
कौन सी मैच है पहली?
नॉर्वे इंग्लैंड,
और दूसरी
Argentina and Switzerland.
Who are you rooting for?
I am rooting for Norway because Haaland, da na 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 na. And Switzerland में मुझे कोई भी पता नहीं है. तो yeah, so I guess Argentina ही जीतेगी because they want more sales. नहीं तो कोई नहीं देखेगा final apparently.
देख अभी जाएगा, सबको लाइट मारेगा. देख देख. And this is how accidents happen. You see him tailgating?
Tailgating, yeah. हम आ चुके हैं डैन्यूब स्पोर्ट्स वर्ल्ड एंड पीछे बुर्ज को देखो, सो प्रिटी. पीपल टॉक अबाउट द स्पार्कलिंग आईफिल टावर, बट हमारा बुर्ज खलीफा देखो, ये भी तो सुंदर है. इट्स टाइम टू प्ले. हम लोग सिंगल्स खेल रहे थे, इसने अभी जस्ट मुझे हराया है, बट क्लोज गेम राइट.
देख लो.
इट वाज लाइक 7-5 एंड
7-6 ड्यूस तक गया ना.
या ड्यूस तक गया. 7-6 में मुझे हराया. बट आई फील लाइक आई एम नॉट प्लेइंग एट माई बेस्ट बट ये मैच अच्छा चल रहा है, लेट मी शो यू.
और ये स्मैश देते हुए और ये फंस गए इसमें, हाथ खोल नहीं पाए और शटल अटकी, है ना. डीप में देते हुए ड्रॉप में इनका ड्रॉप हो गया. अरे इतना लंबा होके भी ऊपर से गया और ये मैच खत्म.
कैसे हराया इसको?
बुरी तरह.
डैनी मुझे बाय द वे ज्ञान दे रहा था, पता है, while I was playing the game.
मेरी इमेज ऐसी बन गई है, मैं सिर्फ ड्रॉप शॉट ही मारता हूँ, आगे भागता हुआ आ रहा है, मैं ले भाग पीछे.
शाज
एक ही गेम जीतेगा अगेंस्ट तनु.
उसको रेज बेट करना है ना तुझे.
नहीं अच्छा रहेगा, मैं जीत जाऊंगा.
Oh no! Why do you make people run from one side to another?
What?
You make people run one side to the other.
Tarun smashes.
तरुण जीत गया.
हाँ, क्लोज कॉल,
Close call.
वेरी क्लोज कॉल.
Very close call.
हम पहुंच गए. आदित्य इतना रश करते हुए मैंने कभी नहीं देखा उसको. कहाँ पे?
ठीक हो गए.
We just got done with watching the match. Experience के लिए rating देते हैं. I would say 8 on 10. तरुण?
7, 8 on 10.
आदित्य?
मेरे लिए तो 9 था यार.
तरुण बीच में 30-40 मिनट्स के लिए सो गया था वैसे.
पूरा टाइम हो जाता सोने का.
Just made it home. Clothes are in the washing machine. It's 4:30 a.m. I'm contemplating between watching the 5 a.m. match and sleeping. But I have some work to finish, which is basically a video that needs to go up at like 10 a.m. tomorrow. So I'm not going to wake up in time, which is why I'm just getting it done now. तब तक वैसे भी 5 बज जाएंगे, देखते हैं. But anyway, I'm going to clock out for today and I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. This is my pre-workout meal because I need quick energy. It's already 12:30. 1:30 को मेरा class है. I am actually so tired from yesterday. पता नहीं क्यों, but for some reason yesterday's badminton session felt very exhausting. And now I have a pretty intense 2.5-hour dance class. And what I've done is I've got another, like got an extra court for us for badminton because there are 10 of us. No, 8 of us playing today. Wish me luck. I hope the Nutella bread will power me through today's session. What is it about car lighting being so good? Even मेरी गाड़ी में बहुत अच्छा light है. But what I like about Tarun's car is this, like the red interiors, so nice.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm the one they warned you about. Step into the spot and the whole room freeze. Yeah, they all looking, feel a cool breeze. Not from the AC, it's the ice on my wrist. Made a new list of the things they missed. I'm a whole new chapter, a different book. You can try to read me, just take a look. But you never get it, you'll never know. Watching from the sidelines, watching me glow. Stop for a second, check the mirror on the wall. It's a masterpiece.
Guys, class हो गया. मैं मर चुकी हूँ. Now my friends are here to pick me up. Before we play 2 hours of badminton, I really need sugar in my body, so I'm stopping by Zoom to get something. Kit Kat is a no-brainer. Package secured. 3 bottles of water and 1 Kit Kat. खेलते वक्त, नाचने वक्त, one thing we forget to do is to drink water. And hydration is so freaking important, even just for recovery, you know. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shaz. Her new name is Shazzle Dazzle. Everyone's gonna call you that now.
You have to put like, you know, those
The sparkles?
sparkles.
Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, I hope I can edit like that.
The sound effect.
Such a scene here. How could you lose my racket?
Welcome to my vlog.
Oh hi, my name is Swapnil. Nice to meet you. And my
खत्म हो गया. Hello, welcome to my vlog.
When we play doubles and I want to rage bait Tarun when
Huh.
I'm playing against him.
So mean.
when I
Yeah,
hit
don't
the shot,
ask.
I just
Don't
go,
ask me
"Oh."
all this.
I do. Oh.
You
Yeah.
can ask me how to rage bait Tarun.
Yeah. मैं कैसे, मैं दोनों के साइड से हूँ ना. तू मेरा भाई है, वो मेरा पति
No,
है.
you play on his side, so you laugh, but you can't laugh too much.
हाँ. He can't see me laughing, right?
Yeah.
The only way to rage bait him is to play well. So I think it might be a bit difficult.
No, if
Ah,
so we booked 2 courts. one is this one is this one, and there are 9 of us, so doubles chal raha hai. Just got done with badminton. Didn't play my best, but I played, so I'm counting it as a win. अभी हम सब जा रहे हैं कहीं पे खाने. Probably gonna go to Ustadi to eat kebabs. Do you want to contribute to my vlog?
Yeah, I've already done that so many times. What a nice contribution.
We are at Al Ustadi. Is it Al Ustadi or is it Al Ustad?
Al Ustadi special kebab.
We've actually been coming here every weekend. No, last weekend we came 3 times. Or 2 weekends in a row we came.
हाँ, 2 weekends and then एक बार अलग सा है.
Yeah. It's really, really good. It's in, where is this exactly? हाँ, देखो.
Starting, this is old Pakistani consulate area पहले, मुसल्ला टावर के बाजू में. अभी it's called I don't know what area, but
Google पे डाल देना मिल जाएगा. What's really nice about this place is if you look at the walls, there's just a bunch of photos from people who have visited. Adds so much character.
रोनाल्डो के साथ.
Always eat ghas poos first so that you don't overeat. Finally made it back home. I'm watching the Wimbledon finals, which is Sinner versus Zverev right now. I'm actually so glad that we played 5 to 7 because अच्छे time में खाना वाना हो गया, घर पे आ गए, नहा गए, and now it's only 10:30, so we can sleep in the next hour or so. But I'm going to close out this vlog right here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment down below. Feedback always helps. I know most of us are passive watchers. I admit I am also a passive watcher sometimes, but for any creator that you follow, a like, a comment, or even you subscribing means so much. I know we've said it so many times that it feels like share, subscribe, but it genuinely means the world. So if you choose to do it, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.